Installation guide for LED mesh screen. Intelligent control box. Main controller. Aviation plug for the power. Cord of the control box. Firstly, connect the connectors of each. Connecting lines to the mesh screen. Input connector and tighten the nuts. Step 2. Connect the other ends of each, connecting wires to the output connector of the control box and tighten the nuts. Step 3. Insert the aviation plug of the power. Cord the control box into the AC interface. Step 4. Connect the main control link, output port to the input port of the control box using a network cable. Finally, using a laptop, you can connect to the main controller via Wi-Fi or HDMI. Send the box configuration file to the control box and send the mesh screen connection file to the main controller for testing. Project lighting effect.